Now that we've gone through a lot of the fundamentals of set theory, we can go on to the bread and butter of what you can really start to do with sets. And we're going to talk about operations of sets. Well, the first operation that we need to talk about is what is referred to as the set complement. Now, when we're talking about the set complement, I created two sets that we can work with because sometimes numbers are scary. And I don't want to scare anybody, so let's talk about something that will only scare maybe like 25% of the population. Football and sports. Yay! So what we do is we create a set F using our set builder notation from the previous video. And we say that F is a set of elements, F, such that F is an NFL football team. Things inside of this are going to be Jets, the stupid Patriots, the also dumb Eagles, etc. Any NFL football team. Now we create a second set and we say N, and N is a set of elements N, such that that element is a New York City sports team. So this is going to be such as the Jets, the stupid Giants, but we're not restricting to football, we're just saying it's a sports team. So also the Knicks and the Rangers, if you're a hockey fan, etc. So set complement is what we do. Let's draw in a Venn diagram first. If this is our set, and we're going to use N for our example, so if this is our set N, N is everything inside of this little Venn diagram circle. Now, the complement of N, which I'm going to denote as N with a C on the top, there's like 100 different notations for complement. Like, there's so many, I swear. Like, some people put like N prime or N tilde or N bar. There are so many. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick with NC. It's probably the ugliest notation you can find ever, but it's not going to get confused with any other notation. Like, I know that this is sometimes like the set closure. This like does stuff too. So we're sticking with this one, NC. So the complement of the set, again, N superscript C, is going to be everything that is in our universe that is not inside of N. In our example of our set N, what is the set N complement? N complement is the set where we have N such that N is not a New York City team. So what would this look like? This would look like, the LA Rams. I like football, so those are I only know football teams. If we're talking basketball, maybe Miami Heat or the Jersey Devils, they rock, etc. Any not New York City team. And it's really that simple. But it's with respect to your universal set. So if this is our universal set, is the big one in blue. Everything that is inside our universal set, but not inside of our one particular set. So if we erase the board for a second, say we are now working with a set of numbers. So our universal set, we're only going to be working with positive whole numbers or natural numbers. And let's say we have the set of even numbers. I'm going to write that as E. 2, 4, 6, ... We have the set of even numbers. Now what is the complement of this set? The complement of this set is the set of odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, ... But we don't have, even though such things like fractions are not inside of this set, if we are working with respect to positive whole numbers, we're only working in the positive whole numbers, then there will only be positive whole numbers in here. Hopefully that makes sense. If that was a little confusing, leave a comment and I'll try to help out in any way I can. But we're going to be moving on to the next operations, the intersection and the union.